Quick view here. It is May 9th, Tuesday, 2023. Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Artwork 56, Kaiserr-Perminentay of Washington. Online and hard copy graphic design bleechy sea monster. With more text in the center there. Viewers can read on their own. The framing is about 95% complete. 95% we've got eyes, kind of like an eyeglasses there, if you want to think of them that way. I'm going to be putting your eye in here and your eye in there as well. And then I got a seal in the back, and I've got to get some plywood or thin masonite for the back. All right, there you have it.